The following portion of My Carolina is sponsored by...
Industry experience is a must for most students getting ready to enter the job market. Apprenticeship NC is helping workers learn specialized skills needed in today's work environment. I'm joined this morning by LaRue Cribb, Plant and EHS Manager at Kurz Transfer Products, and Joe Cassatt, the Production Technician Apprentice at Kurz. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Glad to be here.
So Joe, let's start with you. You're currently an apprentice right now.
I am.
Okay, so tell me about your experience so far.
Okay. Through the apprenticeship program, I go to school 1 day a week, and I work the other 4. And in school, I've been learning about welding, hydraulics. I've learned about electrical safety and industrial safety.
Cool.
And at work, I go to learn how to run a coating machine, and I've been learning the stamp and foil manufacturing process that we have in our facility.
Awesome. And this is something that you want to continue doing down the road, and you're getting firsthand real-world experience.
I am.
That's awesome. Okay, so are you earning a degree while you're doing this process? How does that work?
In my part of the apprenticeship program, I am earning a certificate for production tech at the end of my 2 years.
Okay, very cool. And so tell me about your experience. What have been your biggest benefits so far?
One of my biggest benefits has been the program is paying for school.
Okay.
And outside of school, I'm getting the work experience that I will have for after I get my certificate.
Yeah, awesome. And if somebody was interested in being an apprentice one day, what would you tell them? What advice would you give them to get started?
I would say definitely do it. I would say because for one, they're paying for school.
Yeah.
And you're getting the experience you need for after. And you already have your years of experience, so they know that you're ready to work.
Exactly, so they kind of know who you are and how hard of a worker you are.
They know.
And yeah, that's awesome. Okay, LaRue, so tell me about the apprenticeship program that you guys offer.
Well, we started in 2015 with a mechanic, and James is now a full mechanic with his journeyman's license. It's recognized by the state of North Carolina and the U.S. Department of Labor. They get a 2-year apprentice degree or associate's degree, and that is industrial systems technology on the mechanical side and electrical engineering on the electrical side. And then the third track is the production apprentice or production technician like Job is doing in our facility, and that is a certificate-based system.
Very cool. So lots to choose from and offered with you guys. Definitely
so. And what I'm most proud of is our guys developing and watching mature.
Right.
You know, they come right out of high school and go right into the program. And they're working, they're going to school all at the same time, learning and earning.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And then at the end of the 4 years of working and going to school, they continue on and get the work hours that are required for the journeyman's license.
Awesome. Wow. Very cool. Very cool. Okay, so how did you hear about apprenticeships originally, and why is this something that you wanted to be a part of?
We are a German-owned company, and in Europe and Germany they have a strong apprenticeship program, so they inquired for us to do that. And so we worked with Davidson-Davie Community College and also partnered with like-minded advanced manufacturing companies in the Davidson-Davie area, put together our curriculum with the college's help, and also to be sure that our curriculum was matching our needs at each facility. And so that's how we got started.
Very cool.
Full partners.
And what have you seen as beneficial for the apprentices going through the process, and then you as a business having apprentices there?
Well, the relationship between the apprentices and the business is a full partnership. They are going to school and furthering their education, of course, debt-free. But developing that relationship and ensuring that we have fully trained and skilled workforce as they've developed and matured. And really, our leaders or our apprentices now are becoming leaders in the plant after going to school and getting all the work experience.
Awesome. And if somebody was interested in learning about how you got started, or maybe they're interested in learning more just about the entire process, what would you tell them? What advice would you give them?
Well, they can start out by going to ddac.tech and learn about our program and how to sign up for it and talk to people. But also, we go to schools and talk to the high school students and fully educate them on the program, just like we're talking about today.
Guys, thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
The preceding was sponsored by